Good day guys, welcome where Maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to find the rate of interest when we know its compound interest, the amount and the time. Make sure you watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it guys. Now, in order for us to find the rate of interest per annum, which is compounded annually, we will be using the amount formula. And the amount formula is P1 plus R over 100 to the power of n. Now, let's take this understanding and solve a question. So, in this question, they are asking us to find the rate of compound interest for $10,000, which amounts to $11,664 in 2 years. Now step number 1, let's go ahead and write the formula down. So A is equal to P1 plus R over 100 to the power of n, which is the amount of years. Now let's write down also what we know from the question. We know that the principal is $10,000. We know that the amount is equal to $11,664, and we know that the n is equal to 2 years. All right guys, now let's take these values and substitute in this formula. So we have 11664 is equal to 10,000 multiplied with 1 plus R over 100 to the power of 2. Right guys, now the next step what we are going to do is we are going to transpose this 10,000 to the other side. So we have 11664 over 10,000 is equal to 1 plus R over 100 to the power of 2. Alright guys, now the next step what we'll be doing is we are going to simplify this fraction. So let's go ahead and simplify it step by step. So if we simplify it, let's say 11664, let's see if it can divide by 8. So we have 1458 divided by 10,000 divided by 8 would give us 1250. Alright guys, which is equal to 1 plus R over 100 to the power of 2. Now, as we can see here, this fraction here can still be simplified. So 1458 divided by 2 is going to give us 729 over 1250 divided by 2 is 625 is equal to 1 plus R over 100 to the power of 2. Alright guys, now here's the complicated part. What we're going to do next is we will be transposing this to the power of 2 to the other side when we have simplified the fraction to the lowest term. And when we transpose to the power of 2 to the other side, it's going to change to square root of 729 over 625 is equal to 1 plus R over 100. Right guys, now what we can see here is square root of 729. Square root of 729 is equal to 27. So we have 27 over square root of 625 is 25 is equal to 1 plus R over 100. Okay guys, now what we are going to do next is we are going to transpose this 1 to the other side. So 27 over 25 minus 1 is equal to R over 100. Right guys, now we are going to find the LCM. Finding the LCM, maybe let me continue right here. Finding the LCM, we would have 27 over 25 minus 25 over 25 is equal to R over 100. Right guys, and we have 2 over 25 is equal to R over 100. Right guys, now we are going to solve for R. So we'll be transposing this 100 to the other side. So 2 over 25 multiplied by 100 is equal to R, which is the rate of interest, right guys? Now we see that 25 and 100 can simplify. 25 will change to 1, 100 will change to 4, and 2 times 4 is equal to the rate of interest. So 2 times 4 is equal to R, 8 is equal to R, right guys? So let's go ahead and write that down. Therefore, the value of R is 8% per annum. And that is how we would find the rate of interest when we know the compound interest, the amount, and the time. Now, if you did enjoy this video, guys, do not forget to hit on that like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time, guys, have a nice day.